Want to request a refund on Amazon in just a few taps? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, open up any web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Make sure to log into your account. Now, you want to tap on the Return and Orders option in the menu. Then find Order containing the item you want refunded. Next, click the item and select Return or Replace items. Choose Refund as your action. You'll see a list of return reasons. Pick the one that best describes your situation. If Amazon offers a drop off or pickup option, select the most convenient method. Otherwise, choose to ship it back yourself using the provided shipping label. Review your refund method, typically the original payment method, and tap Submit. Amazon will email you a confirmation with the return label if needed, plus an estimated refund date. Once your return is processed, your refund will appear in your account within 3 to 5 business days. If you ever need to check the status, return to Returns and Orders and then click on Track Return. And that's it. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.